My name is Richard Muhina, Country Director for Floresta Tanzania. And today we are glad that we have been part of a global initiative with collaboration with Call to S, and we have been working with different schools to clean the environment. And in December, usually we carry out tree planting campaign, and we have just started, and we have been doing it for the last 20 years. And we have seen a significant impact in the environment, and we are happy to be part of the global initiative, making sure that our environment is conducive to support the life of this generation and the generation to come.
My name is Ethel Wilbert Ijumba from Agape Lutheran Junior Seminary in Tanzania. I am in partnership with the Floresta organization. We're so proud to be here since we have participated in different activities such as cleaning the environment and being a part of picking up some dust and rubbishes from the environment. We have learned a lot since this has helped us to get awareness about the issues of the environment, and cleaning the environment that helps the weather conditions and the different activities to take on in a conducive area. So we are proud to be a part of the program of Call to Earth that is done on every 4th December by the CNN.
My name is Samson Kitugu. I'm from Moshi Secondary School in Tanzania. Being this initiative of Floresta was something great. Today we had a little meeting and we were all discussing about the environment. We have also learned lots of things because the environment is something natural and we need it in our everyday life. So we all need to take care of the environment because it will also take care of us.